Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is a triple unbagging video. Now, I've already unbagged this, but it's still in the package. And then I've got this item, pulling on my hair. And then I have this item, and this is from Gia Rose. Gia Rose is a store that I love, and it's in Parsons, Kansas, and it's going out of business. So I'm going to link their website in my description box. You should definitely go there and see if you can snag a few deals because they have almost sold out of all of their inventory. I have a Coach item. I have an item that's going to be an awesome accessory for my Louis Vuitton Alma BB in Epi, whether indigo or my Rose Ballerine Alma BB. And then I have 4 items from Gia Rose. So I'm going to do the Coach item first. I know most of you out there are Coachies. Sorry for all the rustling. I'm unbagging this live. I did my Papaya Coach camera bag unboxing. I bought that from eBay for $104 or $105. And I was planning on using that camera bag with the Tali strap from my Papaya Coach Tali. And once I opened it up and tried it on, I realized that the straps on the camera bags are longer than the straps on the Tali. So then all of a sudden I felt like I had to have the strap that went with the camera bag. So here it is. What I did, and this is just a little tip for you. If you haven't ever done this, it comes in handy sometimes. You can reach out to eBay sellers, Poshmark sellers, Mercari sellers who are selling an item like this camera bag, and maybe they have 2 straps that go with it, and you can ask them if they'll separate it. And that's what I did. I said, hey, I've got the camera bag and I didn't get this strap. Would you sell this strap to me for $60? And one person said, no, absolutely not. I will not do that. I said, okay, that's fine. The other person said, sure, I think I could sell the bag with the leather strap for enough that I would recoup separating them. So I have my camera bag. I showed you the grommeted strap already. And now I have the matching strap to go with my camera bag. So the Tali bags have these really nice straps that have a chain woven into them, and I love that. But I do like the length on the camera bag, and I wanted to show you that the stitching here is sort of an orangish color. I would say it's just a little darker than the Papaya, but I do feel like it coordinates really well. Sometimes the straps that come with these camera bags just seem like they don't match at all. And I like it when they have something in the thread that is a similar color to the bag. And you get that with the Tali strap with this part of the chain, and you also get that with the pinstriping on the edges as well as the Coach on the camera bag strap. The one thing that I would like to show you is the difference in the length between the camera bag strap and the strap that goes with my Tali. So I have the Tali strap fully extended, and I have the camera bag strap fully extended. And do notice also that the Tali strap is much chunkier. I have noticed that some of my camera bags come with these elongated clips, and some of them come with a stubbier clip. But let's go ahead and compare the length. I've got them all lined up, and I just want to show you this. This is how much longer the camera bag strap is than the Tali strap. The Tali is a much longer, or height-wise, it's a much taller bag than the camera bag. So this strap works for that bag. It really does. But if you want to use this on your camera bag, it's going to sit very high, unless you're a really short person. So let me show you the look of how it is when you have the Tali strap on, fully extended on the camera bag, and then I'll show you the strap that it came with, and you can see the difference. So this is the height of the Tali strap on the camera bag, and it's fully extended. So you can see it's definitely more of a European fit. When I say European, I say that because I believe, and I may be wrong on this, but the European women and gents who wear handbags tend to wear their crossbody bags up higher on their body than we do in the United States. And this is sort of a generalization, I realize that, but I think it's just kind of a style difference between our two continents. So let me try on the camera bag fully extended. And I think this is actually going to be a bit too long for me when it is fully extended, but that's okay. I just want to show you. So actually, I like it at this length. I would probably shorten it just a little bit. Let me go ahead and do that. I do like it when the buckle has a little bit of, well, not the buckle, but the sizing part has a little bit of space between it and the next section. So this is the height I would wear it at. And right now I am super into webbed straps. So that's why I went ahead and purchased this web strap. So I ended up getting the whole thing for $64.50 and then $104, so $168. Not a bad price at all. I did link this recently on my community page, and I think it was $177 on Dillard's. And I haven't seen a better price on this one for a while. So if you want, you can find these on eBay still. I have linked them in, well, I linked them in the video I did about the Papaya unboxing. And so you can go find them there, but I think the cheapest I found was maybe about $178 after shipping. So you can still get this beauty. You just need to go look for it on the reloved market or the pre-loved market. That doesn't necessarily mean that it's been used before, but it would be buying from a secondary seller. I haven't seen any fakes of these. I haven't had anybody reach out to me wondering if their bag was fake, so that's a good thing. I've certainly seen that with the soft tabby, and I've seen that also with the pillow tabby. But maybe this just isn't as popular of a style, so it just doesn't get replicated as much. So let's go and look at my other items. So I got these shorts. These are my favorite shorts from Risen Denim, and I went ahead and bought a second pair because I like them so much, and Gia Rose has everything 50% off. Some items seem like they're even more because they're marked down to $20, and for those, her coupon code for 50% off doesn't seem to work, but they are great deals. So these are Judy Blue denim shorts, and I really like how they're higher in the front than in the back, and there's still a high-rise waist. Judy Blue shorts or capris are super comfortable because they're really stretchy. And then I bought two tops so I could get free shipping. I bought this lilac top, and I think this is sold out now, but she does still have some items, and they're super cheap. So I'm going to link Gia Rose down below. I linked them on my community page the day I ordered all of this stuff, and since then I believe all but one of these items is sold out. Actually, no, that's not true. I think both of the denim shorts are still available, but in limited sizes. And so then this is by Cherish. This is the brand Cherish, and it's a cool like knit tank top. And I'm going to go ahead and try these on. This one is the brand Alley Rose. I haven't heard of that before. Since Gia Rose is going out of business, all items are final sale. This lilac top by Alley Rose is the softest thing ever. So I'm happy to say that everything fits well. These shorts are the Judy Blue shorts, and they were still online. Again, they're higher in the front than the back, and I have noticed that Judy Blue shorts do stretch out as well as their capris, and I'm really liking these. They're very comfortable, and I think they'll be even better when they stretch out a little bit. Let me just grab my little dress up your purse bag, because I was noticing that this bag, which I featured in yesterday's video, has a little bit of lilac in it, so I thought it might be cute with this little combo, and I think I'm right. It's got the lilac, the shirt has the lilac, it's sort of a sweater top actually, and then we've got the blue. I'm liking this combo. Okay, again, this is like a sweatery sort of knit tank by the brand Cherish, and these are seriously my favorite shorts ever. These are by Risen, and this is my second pair of the exact same shorts because I love them so much. The shirt is long. This is a size small. I could tell from the models that she had that this one was going to be a little oversized, but it is super, super comfortable. I like the brand Cherish, so if you come across that brand when you're shopping in boutiques, I would recommend it. Haven't heard of the brand Alley Rose before, but I do like this. I wish I would have bought it in another color, but actually when I checked out. I think that the other color was in the next size up only, and that would have been too big for me. So I promised one more product reveal, and that's going to be an accessory for this Alma BB in Rose Ballerine, or also my Indigo Alma BB. I've had this for a few days now, and I was just waiting for a video that I could pop it in and show you. I think you're really gonna love this. So my last order from Nanastore2018 included the black web strap that I showed you in the video yesterday. It included this strap and then the two chunky chain straps that I actually sold. So I didn't show you those on a video because I knew I wasn't keeping them. And the reason was that they were really just too chunky for me. I had wanted to order this size, and I got the measurements mixed up when I ordered. But this little chain has, depending on which way you look at it, it has the little flowers that are very similar to Louis Vuitton's flowers on their monogram print, but yet it is not a replica or copyright infringement at all. It just has some pretty little flowers on it, and they're on both sides of the chain. So doesn't matter how you look at it, you get to see some pretty from any direction. So I thought this would be really pretty as a shoulder strap. I believe this one is the 60 centimeter strap. And as you can see, it does fit quite nicely on the Alma BB. I don't know if I'd wear this chain with it if I had this chain on it, but just let me show you how this bag looks with the chain strap. Everybody likes to wear the Alma BB crossbody, but I've discovered recently that with a chain, it is just beautiful. I mean, it does fit the curve of your arm really well. You can grab it like that. It's just a super comfortable carry. And then if you wanted to, you could just let the chain dangle and carry it like this. I don't know, again, if I would keep this charm that's draping with this chain, but looking at it here in the camera as I show you, I do think it looks pretty. So it's a good way to have an option to throw it on your shoulder if you need to. And then also to just have a little bit of bling on your Louis Vuitton bag. I'm gonna get up close and show you. I think since the purse will take up most of the screen, it'll focus better on those little florets that are on the links. And this strap is very inexpensive. I think you can even, well, actually, I know you can get it crossbody. There's a 120 centimeter option, and that's even less than $30 with maybe a $4 or $5 shipping fee. You do have to wait a while to get it because it's coming from China, but you can upgrade your shipping to DHL for, I believe, $18. I would probably just wait and get it when it gets here, unless you're just dying to get it faster. But what a gorgeous chain strap. I love my new clothes. And of course, I'm loving my Papaya Coach camera bag with the strap that she was intended to have from the start. So I would say today's haul has been a huge success. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring my bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there's the same. It's the @ symbol, then the Handbag Housewife in the search bar, and then I'll pop right up. You can DM me there, or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will plan on seeing you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.